Like, it's got to go in the next couple minutes.
Yeah.
Like now. Like
Bro,
now.
look at it. Look at it. 90s. 95. Damn.
The video is
Q's ain't
rejecting
even
pre-market
close
high right
to
there.
Yeah, Q's is not up there either.
Let's see if it goes.
90.
Here we go. 95. 96.
What?
Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking break this.
All right, mindset for this entry here. I wanted to anticipate this break here into those 90s from that previous price action there with those wicks just to the left, and then further over where those bodies are closer to the 589 break. So I just want to anticipate that when we got that little flash there with half size. It rejected and came down to pre-market high right at my DAS auto stop. I have auto stop set to negative 11% with DAS, and I was just going to let it stop me. If it stopped me, so be it. If pre-market high bounced, that's great. But I didn't want to just stop out when I was close to 11%. I wanted to just give it a chance to have pre-market high bounce and then move up here. And it was so damn close. I mean, I'm telling you, a few pennies away and it would have stopped me. 11% there.
Six.
Q's highs.
Come on. The 589.
So I looked to add here full size after that bounce off the pre-market high red to green, and then it flew up to 589. So I got in full size there on that 589 break, and then it just kind of only broke by like a penny and rejected back down here. I was only negative like 6-7% there at full size now. And then once we started coming back up here, I told myself, you know what, like this should be my normal entry since I rushed the entry on these first two little half size entries, I guess you'd call it. So in my mind, I was like, you know what, let me just double up. If we get this 589 break with speed, like a real solid break, not like these last two entries where it was like, you know, anticipating the first one and then this one, it just came running up from so far away, but like a legit nice pop. I don't care if I even get filled above 589. Like if it's like just moving and we get the correlation with Qs that we were talking about too, I'm just going to double up. I'm just going to do buy full. So I buy half again to make a full size, and then add, we're going to see here in a second, another full size. So basically I'm just double my normal size here on this trade.
Just stuck there.
It can't break the ask of 01.
Yeah, same with Q.
See,
Stuck
it's
on
just
a high
like,
day.
it's stuck.
We can get Q's with it right here. The video's trying too.
There you go.
Just broke.
All right, here we go. Sweat another one out.
Nice little 7-cent break.
Wow.
Just stuck there, bro.
Come on. Bullshit.
Right back at that 589.
Gotta be kidding me. Oh, wow. Get up. Over to green.
So here we go, back down again to negative 9%. My stop again with DAS auto stop. I can't do nothing about it. It stops me automatically at negative 11%. So it goes to -9 here. Now this is double size too. In full disclosure, I took a loss earlier on this 589. Took a full 11% stop with DAS auto stop earlier, and then got in from what you're seeing here on this trade. We also took a Tesla trade earlier this morning, 12% half out, and then half out back just below break even. So this here would have been it. I mean, no matter what, this is for the end of the day. But if I would have took another loss here, it would have been a big red day. But we just stuck to our plan. Didn't get shaken out. Didn't just stop early because we were worried about losing money. Didn't think about the money, when it was falling here like that, being like, oh my God, I'm going to be 0 for 2 or 1 for 3. Didn't even think about none of that kind of stuff. Just let the trade play out. Had it in my mind, can't do pre-market high anymore. That's way too low. DAS will stop me before that. So in my head, I'm just like, you know what, 80s-ish, but DAS is just going to stop me. So is what it is. Let's just let it play out here and try to be unemotional as possible. But we had to really sweat this one out.
30s again.
I'm being greedy as fuck though. Haven't trimmed yet.
That's crazy.
I know.
All right, at least
All right, okay, I'll trim
a
it.
little bit, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like right at this high.
I'm leaving with
Just
something.
right
Oh my God. I'm forgetting to breathe.
Okay. Yes, sir, boy.
There we
There we
yes,
go,
sir,
40s.
boy. Yes,
Wow,
sir,
I did not expect this kind of breakout though, I'm not gonna lie.
boy.
Oh, I
My
got so
money
much
back,
left too. Come on.
dude. What else do we got? 590.
What else do we got?
Dude,
Dude,
no,
Nvidia's still
looking
not
for
even
the
a high
next
today.
resistance.
So what
Nvidia's
else
still
do
like
we got?
30 cents from highs.
Come on, give us
Come
another
on,
new
baby.
high. It's gonna
Oh.
piss me off. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, it's cooked. It's cooked. We're like cooking right now, bro. Call an ambulance.
Back to the green on the day.
50s.
Fuck a red day. We don't do that.
Fuck a red day.
Revenge trade. That's fine.
Dude, I almost took another full loss, dude. 9% drawdown. Dude, I was sweating.
That
I
was
knew you were. I
soft.
was like, oh, he's silent.
Let's keep it going, huh?
My contracts are still at 19 to 20.
Dude, yeah, 22 right here. Half out now in the driver's seat. We were just talking about our trail stops here to the chat as the trade was just playing out here. And we were just deciding where we're going to have our trail stop at, where we're going to look for new highs to trim, and just let this trade just kind of play out here. One of the longest trades we've had in quite a long time. Our trades are usually just a few minute scalps here. This trade, by far the longest trade of the year, I believe.
They're right there. 50s.
Q's
Okay,
broke.
buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Q's right at 520.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
When we get 520 with Q's, we get a little more here. Probably go all out. Think, right?
Yeah, I'm with that.
Oh
I've been
my
trading enough.
gosh. Let's just get another high.
Yeah. I mean, Q's is the 92.
26.
High was 519.99. So, and
Bro, we
Nvidia's
just made it
right
back.
under its high day. Same with Tesla. Everything's gonna make a new high right now.
We literally are cooking, bro. Like,
Okay. This trade is a prime example of just sticking to your plan, not getting emotional. Patience pays. We had our trail stop here in the 20s here for several minutes. You'll see it just fly along here. Then our trail stop we had in our mind was the low of that wick right there, like those 20s break right there in the high teens. That's where we had in our mind that we were going to have a trail stop at. And we just let it play out. We didn't care if the profit and loss was going up and down. We weren't even looking at that. We had it. We just went off price action there. The 20s was our trail stop. Later moved it up to those 30s, and then landed as auto support and resistance script popped up there in the 26. So that's perfect, right in line with what our trail stop was going to be right there. And we just let this thing ride out. We wanted a new high, and then maybe in a perfect world, get 590.
go. 53 or 63, 64.
Oh boy.
Nice. What's Q doing?
Red to green off like the 10s, 520 10s. It's almost a high. Everything's pumping.
Oh,
Video,
we
Tesla.
might have it. We might have
There
it.
it is. There it is.
Oh,
Give it up.
Oh shit!
There it
No
is.
way! No way! Oh my gosh! It's about to break.
There she goes.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh my gosh, bro! All out right
All
there.
out. Right there. Dude.
Oh yeah!
Oh, wow. Look at it now.
Nice.
That
Oh man! Damn!
was no way.
That would have been 100% wild for a second. That's gay as fuck, but
Oh, come
the fact that
on.
it
Are you
ran
still
like
you
that?
seeing it? 40s. Oh,
bro, that's insane. That's literally crazy.
what?
That's literally
Look at this
illegal,
candle.
bro.